meiosis 2. So this meiosis 2 is similar to that mitosis. This meiosis 2 is similar to that mitosis. It means each, in the meiosis 1 mainly 2 haploid cells are formed. Each haploid cell again undergoes to that meiosis 2. For example, so in the meiosis 2 generally they are the first one is a prophase 2. After that metaphase 2. After that anaphase 2. After that telophase 2. Prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2, telophase 2. So in this first one is the prophase 2. In the prophase 2, two cells are participated that it is at early prophase. So in that early prophase, so in the prophase 2, it is known as the first one, it is that early prophase. So in that early prophase, same that process, it means condensation of chromosome material, after that in animals centrioles move towards opposite poles. Condensation of chromosome material, it means chromosomes are become short and animals centrioles are moved towards that opposite poles. After that spindle fiber formation, each chromosome having two chromatids, each chromosome having that two chromatids. So that is known as that early prophase. It is known as the nucleolus. Okay. After that, late prophase or end of prophase. In that end of prophase, so at that end of prophase, nuclear membrane disappear, nucleolus disappear, next chromosomes are completely condensed, chromosomes are condensed, and fully condensed. Next, these chromosomes are enter into cytoplasm. Okay, nuclear membrane is disappear. It means nucleolus is also disappear. Chromosomes are condensed. Next, these chromosomes are entered into that cytoplasm, and cell organella disappear. Cell organella disappear. So that is known as that prophase 2.